with the fan.
Certainly across the northern half of the UK, mixed in with some fairly heavy showers across Scotland and Northern Ireland. But it really has deteriorated very rapidly across the south this morning because this band of cloud came in from the Atlantic much more quickly than it should have done, and it's brought a pretty wet spell across many parts of southern England, and that rain's becoming more extensive. Indeed, there are some thunderstorms mixed in too. Now those storms and unsettled weather moves across into central parts of Europe for the weekend, so for many central and northern areas, despite the fact that it's going to be quite warm in some places, it is going to be a very unsettled weekend. You need to go further south to get the brightest sunshine, the hottest weather too. And it looks like for many of the holiday spots down across the south of Europe this weekend, it really is going to be very nice indeed. For example, across in the Greek islands, we're looking at lots of sunshine and temperatures around about 35 degrees, nearer 27 perhaps for the Canary Isles. Well, coming back to our rain, and you can see it here moving in from the West Country first thing this morning, some really heavy rain mixed in there, as you can see, and it's been pushing relentlessly forward northeastwards, in fact, into the London area now, and it's pushing right across the Midlands up towards Lincolnshire and parts of East Anglia. So it really is going to be a pretty wet afternoon across much of this area. Really for much of the Midlands, into Lincolnshire, East Anglia and South East England especially, we are going to see spells of pretty wet weather now for the next few hours. Difficult on the roads, and there could be some local flooding too. Not exactly out of the woods across Scotland and Northern Ireland, as you can see, plenty of showers here mixed in with some sunshine. That really sets the scene now for the rest of the day. Certainly some thunderstorms scattered about the whole of the UK, but rather drier, brighter weather now is feeding in across Cornwall and parts of South Wales. Temperatures round about 17 to 19 on the whole. We've seen 1, 2, 20s, 21 across the southeast, but that rain sets in, well, it is going to start to turn that little bit cooler. Well, here's the low pressure bringing the rain at the moment. That's going to be pushing northeastwards. That's where it'll lie during Saturday, and then we'll find a bit of high pressure moving in some places over the weekend, but still some rain to come